Hi, Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a new arrival video walkthrough on the 2021 NauticStar 28XS center console. This boat has an extremely aggressive hull to make those offshore days comfortable. You have an electric windlass in the bow with stainless anchor. Beautiful titanium gray full hull color. And as we head back to the transom, we'll see it's powered by twin Yamaha F300 4-stroke, so smooth, reliable power, and should push this boat a little bit north of 60. You'll see the nicely integrated boarding ladder, sea deck on the swim platform. Those nice transom pass-through door. Stepping aboard, we're going to see some very nicely laid out and integrated stern seating. So comfortable seat on the way to the fishing grounds or the beach, but once you get there, if you want some more cockpit real estate, simply just fold it up. Backrest automatically retracts a bit. We have our wide open cockpit. A couple of rod holders across the transom as well. Here we'll see the integrated cooler fish box, insulated lid. Seafoam green gel coated live well port aft, as well as in the leaning post. So moving to the leaning post, we're going to see starboard side we have some bait prep storage area, live well, slide out Yeti 65, got some tow rails, sea deck reel guards and rod storage. Of course, we have our raw water washdown, freshwater washdown on the leaning post. Live well switches right back where they're needed. Moving up to the helm, we do have the LeBrock helm chairs, flip up bolsters, so some of the most comfortable seats you're actually going to sit in. Up top, blue LED courtesy lighting, electronics box. Moving down to twin Simrad NSS 12s for your chart plotter and fish finder capabilities. Digital controls from Yamaha. And inside the console, of course, we have additional amenities. We do have a sink and pump out head as well. And NauticStar's done a really nice job. We do have the integrated outrigger mounts, but looking at the T-top, it is nicely flush and integrated into the console. So no toe stubbers mounted to the floor. Moving up to the bow, see we have bolsters on the side all the way, just about all the way up to the bow. Forward-facing seat in front of the console, and then we'll see our folding backrests. So additional forward-facing seating is a nice amenity on any boat if you're going to do some cruising. Removable casting platform and bow filler cushion, and of course we have windlass controls and access up on the bow. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-218-1523. So give us a call, come on down and see this boat in person, or stop by our indoor showroom, see the other inventory we have in stock, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you soon.